I want to make a summary about why FOCUS-1 is going to improve your control loops and why you need it. Because if you look at that old situation I have here, it's a boiler situation, boiler feed water, for example. All those sensors that are needed to build up that control, you can basically just exchange it with one device. Same setup, same information, but more. So one device instead of multiple, it will save you a lot of costs on the installation. It will directly give you a smart dashboard, which is easy to use instead of having all those different displays and all those different connections. A smart dashboard you can connect to with your iPhone, with your tablet, with your computer. It will already give predictive insights on that control layer, on that production level, instead of all the way up in the automation pyramid. So you can see that direct. It will think for you. It has a digital twin, so a redundancy, which probably in this situation you would only have if you have smart models. We already integrated that for you, so it's an all-in-one solution. And you will have smarter control with a self-adaptive PID that will make sure that you have the best control that is possible. And at the end, this will save energy, water, etc., what is needed in these processes. At the end, we are building a product which will make sure that you have less downtime, simple operations, and efficient control.